Hi there, it's great to see you today. My name is Alex and we'll practice English together. In this lesson, our goal is to hear, repeat, and improve your English step by step. Don't worry about mistakes, they are part of the journey. With patience and practice, your English will grow stronger. Now, listen carefully and repeat with me. Let me ask you something. How many times have you listened to English and felt like it was going too fast? Words passing by like a blur and you just can't catch them. You're not alone in this struggle. Many English learners face the same problem. But today, we are going to change that. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to explore how to improve your English fluency through slow listening techniques. By the end of this video, you will have clear steps to follow that will help you understand English better and speak more confidently. If you enjoy our lessons, make sure to subscribe. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our future videos that can help you on your English learning journey. Ready? Let's get started. Step 1. Understand the importance of slow listening first. Let's talk about why slow listening is essential. When you listen slowly, your brain has time to process the language. You can pick up new vocabulary, understand pronunciation, and get used to different accents. It's like training your ears to hear English more clearly. Step 2. Choose the right material next. You need to select the right listening material. Look for podcasts, audiobooks, or videos designed for English learners. Sources like BBC Learning English or English Class 101 offer great slow listening options. Choose a topic that interests you. This will keep you engaged. Step 3. Set a comfortable pace when you listen to a slow audio clip. Set a comfortable pace for yourself. Many platforms allow you to adjust the speed. Try starting at a speed of 0.75x or 0.5x. This way, you can catch every word without feeling overwhelmed. Step 4. Listen actively. Active listening is crucial. As you listen, focus on what you hear. Try to visualize the story or the information. If you hear a new word, pause and think about its meaning. You could even jot it down in a notebook to review later. Step 5. Repeat what you hear now. Let's practice repeating phrases and sentences. After listening to a sentence, pause the audio and say it out loud. Shadowing helps improve pronunciation and intonation. For example, if you hear, "I went to the store," pause and repeat, "I went to the store." Step 6. Use context clues when you hear something you don't understand. Try to use context clues. Look at the words or phrases before and after the unknown word. For instance, if you hear, "I was feeling under the weather, so I stayed home." Even if you don't know what under the weather means, you can guess that it relates to not feeling well because of the context. Step 7. Break down longer sentences. If you encounter a long sentence, break it down into smaller parts. Listen to each part separately and understand its meaning before linking them back together. This method makes it easier to grasp complex ideas. Step 8. Take notes. Taking notes while listening can help reinforce what you hear. Write down key points, phrases, and any new vocabulary. This will not only help you remember but also give you something to review later. Step 9. Incorporate diverse topics. Vary the topics you listen to. Explore different subjects such as travel, culture, science, or everyday conversations. This variety will expose you to different vocabulary and expressions. Plus, it keeps your learning experience interesting. Step 10. Review and reflect after your listening session. Take a moment to reflect. What did you learn? Were there any phrases that stood out? Reviewing helps consolidate your learning and makes it easier to recall the information in the future. Step 11. Use slow listening in daily life. Incorporate slow listening practice into your daily routine. Set aside 10 minutes, 15 minutes each day for this practice. Whether during breakfast, on your commute, or before bed, consistent practice builds fluency over time. Step 12. Pair listening with speaking exercises. Try pair listening with speaking exercises. After listening to a section, summarize what you heard in your own words. This practice helps reinforce vocabulary and improves your speaking skills. Step 13. Enjoy the process. Don't forget to enjoy the process. Choose materials that interest you, whether it's a favorite movie soundtrack, a podcast about your hobbies, or a book you love. Enjoyment keeps you motivated and eager to learn. Step 14. Practice with a partner if possible. Find a language partner to practice with. You can listen to materials together and discuss what you heard. This interaction makes learning fun and allows you to practice speaking in a safe environment. Step 15. Don't be afraid of mistakes. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes. They are a normal part of the learning process. When you stumble over words or mispronounce phrases, treat it as a chance to learn. Every mistake is a step toward improvement. Embrace them. Step 16. Use language learning apps. Many apps focus on slow listening and comprehension. Apps like Duolingo and HelloTalk often feature listening exercises that cater to various levels. Use these resources to practice listening at your own pace. Step 17. Find online communities. Joining online communities can enhance your learning experience. Websites like Reddit, language exchange forums, or social media groups can connect you with other learners. You can share resources, ask for recommendations, and find motivation from others on similar journeys. Step 18. Practice self-compassion. Be kind to yourself during this journey. Remember that learning a new language takes time. Celebrate your achievements, no matter how small. Each new phrase you learn is a step forward. Step 19. Evaluate your progress every month. Take a moment to evaluate your progress. Think about how much you have improved in your listening skills. Are there phrases or topics you understand better? Acknowledging your growth boosts your confidence. Step 20. Keep a positive mindset. Finally, maintain a positive mindset. It's normal to feel frustrated at times, but remind yourself why you're learning English. Visualize your goals and the exciting opportunities that fluency will bring your way. You've now learned 20 steps to improve your English fluency through slow listening. Let's quickly recap the key points. 1. Understand the importance of slow listening. 2. Choose the right material. 3. Set a comfortable pace. 4. Listen actively. 5. Repeat what you hear. 6. Use context clues. 7. Break down longer sentences. 8. Take notes. 9. Incorporate diverse topics. 10. Review and reflect. 11. Use slow listening in daily life. 12. Pair listening with speaking exercises. 13. Enjoy the process. 14. Practice with a partner. 15. Don't be afraid of mistakes. 16. Use language learning apps. 17. Find online communities. 18. Practice self-compassion. 19. Evaluate your progress. 20. Keep a positive mindset. As we close, remember that every little effort helps improve your English fluency. Your dedication to learning will pay off as you continue to practice slow listening. Learning is a journey. Enjoy it. Keep practicing slowly, and you will improve every day. Each time you listen and engage with English, you are building your skills. Every day brings new opportunities to learn and grow, so stay curious and keep exploring. As you develop your fluency, you'll find more confidence in your speaking and listening abilities. Each phrase you master and each hour you spend listening brings you closer to your goals. Remember, the journey may be long, but it is also rewarding, and you are doing better than you think. So, take a deep breath, embrace the process, and keep pushing forward. You've got this. As we wrap up, remember that every effort you make brings you closer to fluency. It's important to acknowledge how far you've come and all the progress you've made. Learning English is a journey that requires time and patience, and it's perfectly normal to face challenges along the way. Keep practicing slowly, and you will improve every day.